the measure of a man is the legacy he leaves. And my belief, not, it's funny, a lot of people don't write mission statements. I've always done it. And we had a guy that came in and his mission statement was perfect. It was eloquent, concise, and his mission statement, which I've kind of adopted, no regrets, no regrets. And if you operate in that manner, you're going to be on the right side of the moral compass, the North Star. You're going to be working towards your values, and you can leave this world feeling that you made a contribution. And I don't know what more you'd want. I really don't know what you want. I mean, you lead a purpose-driven life, and in the end, that's your reward is that personal satisfaction.